Kilobyte here, and if you follow my channel, you know I had a mouse nest in my Miata's fresh air intake for the cabin. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your CX-9's cabin filter and replace it if needed. So glove box open, empty anything heavy out of it. Right here, there's one of these on both sides. So you're literally going to just push here. It's going to drop down. There's a clip here on the right side, holding the bottom up a little bit. Slide that to the right. Everything is going to fall down onto the floor. Just pull it out. There's a little hook right, it sits right here. So you're just going to pull it out. There's your latch on the right side. Just pull it and then slide the left side out. That allows you to pull this out. Be aware, could be really nasty. And this one is definitely dirty, so need to replace that. To put it back together, to follow the steps in reverse order. So I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.